Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to change the default PDF viewer on your Samsung phone. So just go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down to Apps. So locate Applications, should be somewhere near the bottom. Now what you want to do is go to the three dots in the top right and go to Reset App Preferences and tap this. If you read through this, it says this will reset all your preferences for disabled apps, notifications, default apps, background data, restrictions. Okay, so we want to reset the default apps so we can choose which app to open up for specific files. So just hit reset right here. You won't lose your existing app data. So just hit reset right there. Otherwise, you should be able to find the existing app, and there should be an option to reset it on there. But many phones there is not. So let's go to Messages, for example. Set as default app right here. There should be an option to clear, but on my phone there is not, so I have to reset it. So messaging app, I do have the option to change the different messaging app right here too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.